I am here with the villagers of Velsav, Molo, also from Kansali, Arosi, Isursi. All the villagers have gathered here in solidarity with the villagers of Molo. This particular hamlet houses traditional fishermen, toddy tappers community, and there are over 30 houses which are going to be directly or indirectly be affected by the proposed illegal double tracking. Illegal, I'm saying, because this is meant for certain corporates to transport their coal. It is not for transportation of humans, for as was in the old days, or transportation of commodities like kerosene or food grains. Today they are transporting in the night time. About 9 or 10 rakes are passing by, disturbing the peace of our village. Whole night they horn and keep us awake. So we at Goinsa Equat and all our 36 allied organizations will come on the road if need be. And we are giving a warning to the government. Please don't play with our sentiments. This is the time for us to sit across the table and discuss, not to come here with a massive police force, an armed police force to threaten our villagers. We are not going to give in.
I have come here because of railways want to take survey. I just been asking the question to Mamladar that first of all they are showing the plan on what ground they got this. That means they got a plan. It is they cannot imagine and just put. That means they have taken. First they were saying that they wanted 5 meters from me lengthwise, and now they are saying 9 meters. 5 meters only. There are some Munkars houses which are going to touch. And first of all, the Munkar houses are at the lower level and the railways are higher level. So you know if they are going to fill it up. And if they pay some commission to Modi and Bodi, they will put all the low quality material, okay? And that if that collapses, all the houses will go, innocent people. And they are saying no houses are going. Can they prove it? They don't know what they want. The railway people are behaving like kids. I feel that kids will talk better, will understand better. They are not using their beja, what God gave them.
ग्राम सभा रेजोल्यूशन गेलो हाय की डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका म्हणून आमकां आनी कोणागे बाटा ट्रेसपास कोत्ताय आनी कित कोत्ताय हेंक कांयच भायर कांय लागना. आयज ते फूल पुलीस फोर्स घेवन येयले हिंगा आनी ते सांगताय सर्वे करपाक आहा म्हणून. सर्वे करता जाल्यार परमिशन नाका तांकां सर्वे करपाक.
सो तुमी आतां कितें सर्वे करून दितले फुडें?
चोवया आतां सर्वे केसो सर्वे करूंक सोदताय आनी कित्या लागून करूंक सोदताय ती.
आता परत हे रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटीज आणि त्यांचे प्रायव्हेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर परत आमच्या गांवांत येवन आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीन ट्रेसपास करून सर्वे करपाक सोदता. आता ही सर्वे कसली? कोणेन एका परमिशन दिला सर्वे काडपाक? ही एरिया एक्वायर जाल्या? ही आता कितें बांदपाक सोदता? हे रेल्वे, रस्तो, हॉटेल प्रोजेक्ट कितें? कसलो ऑर्डर आहा? आमी सरकाराक क्लियरली सांगपाक सोदता ही गोरा पळय इफेक्टेड जाता हे आमचे गांवचे लोकांचे आनी फिशरमॅन कम्युनिटीचे. गोंयचो फिशरमॅन हे प्रोजेक्ट जे कोणाक फिशरमॅनाक त्रास जाता आमी आख्खे गोंयचे फिशरमॅन उठयले. हांव वॉर्निंग दिता सरकाराक, असले फालतूगिरी करू नाका. परत लोकांक त्रास करू नाका. 2008 एक्विजिशन येयल्लें अंडर लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड आमी अपोज केल्लो. 2017 फेअर कॉम्पेन्सेशन एक्टान लोकांनी परत अपोज केला. परत आतां अंडर रेल्वे एक्ट लोकांनी अपोज केला. जेन्ना लोकांनी अपोज केला तूं येता खंयचो? आतां पळय हिल कटिंग केला, इलिगल हिल कटिंग केला हिंगा. तेजे पयलीं एक लँड ओनर आसा आमचे जुवारी स्टेशना कडेन, थिंगा ट्रेसपास करून टॉयलेट बांदला. आरे चलना कितें? सो आमी मामलादार येयला, कलेक्टर येयला, रिपोर्ट काड कितें जालां ते इलिगॅलिटीज हिंगा आनी तेंचेर ताबडतोब एक्शन घे, नाल्यार आमचे गांवचे लोक भायर येतले आनी परत हिंगा कोण येतले आमी दाखयतले आमी कोण ते.